Hi, this is Raj from Sportscars. In this video I'm going to be talking to you about tyre compressors, particularly in the 987 Gen 2. So this is a 987 Gen 2 Boxster. This tyre compressor video applies also to the Cayman of this era as well. Basically, Porsche provide from new a tyre compressor that's in the front boot here. So you can access it by pressing the button on the key, and then it's in this section here. You twist these and you've got a Porsche tyre compressor here, provided no one's taken it out prior to you purchasing it. So you can see it's not quite square, so it fits in a specific way. If you try and wedge it in the other way, it can end up breaking the foam where it is. But basically it's got the wiring for plugging it into the 12 volt socket that's in the center console here. So you put it in ideally into this one. This one has a higher amperage than the other 12 volt supply, which is here, and sometimes you get one in there as well. I would use this one here because this is designed for it. I would also plug it in and turn the car on, because then you're not depleting the battery, and also it will actually top up the tyres quicker because the motor will be running faster because the voltage is higher on the car with the support of the alternator. So this end here, this rubber end, you obviously screw into the tyres valves, and then you can accurately top up the tyres either in bar or PSI depending on what is your preference, because it's got a full gauge there. And you start it by there's a switch on the back, so that just turns it on and off. And if you top it up too much and need to let pressure out, you just literally twist this one anti-clockwise, this little knob here underneath the valve, and that will release air, and you can see it. Once you screw it back in, it will tell you what the current value is after you've let some out. So you can use that rather than going to petrol station or a foot pump. I just thought I'd put up this video because some people don't actually realise that their cars, most of these Porsches, should have a tyre compressor located somewhere, and I just wanted to show you specifically about the 987 Gen 2 where you would find them. This video also applies to 987 Gen 1 as well. Well, I hope you found this video useful. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.